Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be reacting to J-Hope's Daydream and Airplane. So, I know I haven't been like posting. I've been busy. But I know that you know how the boys are going to the army and the military, and they've each been releasing their solo works before they leave. And to start off the solo works, J-Hope was the first person to start it off. So he came out with his album first. So, because I had somebody comment in one of their videos was like, "Show your dad their recent solo works," and I was like, "I'm going to." It's just been hectic. But before I show him the Jack in the Box, I wanted him to understand like where the progress. So we're gonna be reacting to Hope World first. Okay, so Hope World only has two singles or two music videos in the song. So we'll do the two singles first, and then we'll do like the rest of the songs, later and stuff. But that's why I just wanted my dad to see Hope World. I explained to you, remember when the concert was sad, and when we knew that he was gonna do Lollapalooza, all armies were buying like colorful things because Hope World was very colorful, and he's like the sunshine of the group. He's always the happy person, the one that you say you like, or always smiling and stuff. That J-Hope. So when Jack in the Box dropped and it was very dark and like black and everything, everyone was like, "Whoa!" So I just wanted him to see Hope World first before we go into Jack in the Box.
So as far as their enrollment, how many people in the military now?
J-Hope just went like a few.
So he's the first to go in.
He's the second.
Who went first?
The oldest, Jin.
Jin, okay.
Yeah. So J-Hope literally just left like a few days ago. Jin left like a few months ago.
Okay.
So
all right, let's go ahead.
Let's go. So we're gonna start off with Daydream, which is about him. In Daydream, he's talking about how as a celebrity, as an idol, you have a lot of dreams and stuff. I don't know how to explain it, but he can't do regular stuff. It's what he's like. He's daydreaming about being able to do normal human things that me and you can, everyday things that me and you can do. But if a celebrity does it, because they're all scrutinized and okay. So I didn't explain it right, but you get the point. You'll get it from the lyrics, I guess. I know he said he wanted the song to be upbeat, even though it's talking about like a more personal thing, because he didn't want it to, if it was slower, it would have been too personal and too much feeling. So he wanted it to not be as sad. That's why he did an upbeat beat for this song. I'm not explaining anything properly, but I'm hoping you understand where I'm trying to go.
Explain itself is why I'm wondering why you explain it. And the voice of the song should explain itself, right?
That's true, but you can always get background of songs.
I know, but let me hear it first.
So Daydream brings him comfort, even though he can't experience it. At least he can find comfort in the daydream. Okay, let's go. Let me start talking. wild and free.
Wild and free. 나도 한번 해보자고. 지따위 난 보는 girl all day. 내 감정을 내 맘대로 해 all day. 맘에는 저격하는 사람 꼭 all day. 공식 없이 욕구를 풀어대 all day. 성격을 무시해 all day. 부끄럼 없이 울고 싶다고 all day. From left, 그냥 sleep. 너무 걱정 없이 that's it. 저기저기 계산을 넘어 느껴보는 거야. 에이스가 빠진 구멍처럼 오고 마티게 하는 것처럼 신기루에 새길 거야. 그리고 내 세상 내 거야. 세상 그대로 내 거야. 넌 영원하지 않을 거야. Wish on a star, wish on a star. 해가 있다면 꾸고 싶다고. Wish on a star, wish on a star. 달빛이 있다면 변하기 싫다고. Like daydream, oh, daydream. Oh, daydream, ooh, daydream, hey, yeah. 내가 왜 꿈을 꾸냐 돼 문을 가면 배부른 소리 할 거야, yeah. 잠시 내려놓고 난 메커니즘에 맞게 stay 쉬는 거라 할 거야, yeah. What's this 공상 속 답은 모두 나 왜 연습 Like this 모두 나의 바다치와 나의 fantasy. If I was something, if I was something now, if I was something, if I was something now, so daydream, daydream, that's your daydream, daydream, daydream.
So what do you think?
You're watching Aldi TV.
Gil, you know.
Actually,
If you don't like it, it's okay. I'm not gonna
I
like.
actually like it.
Oh,
It was very good. It was fun. It was good. I mean, I like it. I really like it. This one was great.
see, I told myself,
So
I said, if you
props
don't like
up
it,
to
I'm not
him.
even gonna. I'm not even gonna like.
Props up to him.
Wow. So what do you rate it?
I would say 9.5. It was very good.
And you're not just talking about the music video, right?
No, the song, everything about it, I like.
Y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I said, he only got 2 music videos in the mixtape, which came out 2018. But so this is the only other song there. So we'll just do that one. And
I did see one mistake though.
what?
Well, that was the typo in the writing when he talked about. I think we see on the star and the post car SCR instead of STR. It's just a minor thing when
Okay.
you're reading it. Yeah, whoever made it.
그때 나를 다시 기억해. 메마른 땅이나 보태울 때. 저 푸른 하늘 보면 뛰어내. 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인. 그때 나를 다시 기억해. 메마른 땅이나 보태울 때. 저 푸른 하늘 보면 뛰어내. 날고 싶었어 그 에어플레인. 아직도 난 안 믿겨. 광주 토박이의 비행사 매겨. 높고 높았던 꿈의 자리에서 아름다운 세상 하루 종일 구름 타는 재미 구름 보면 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 된 것을 말리지만 마시마들 못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 위에 포인트로 선물할게 몇 분의 뭘 신경 다어 그 누구든지 뭐라던 그저 계속 first를 지키며 밤하늘을 볼게 지금 내 자리에 맞춰 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나무 태울 때 저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 그때를 생각해 이 airplane 누군가도 나를 기억해 그 누군가도 듣지도 외롭게 hey yeah 신경 안 써 그저 행복해 성공을 느껴 in my airplane
Airplane.
Okay, so what are your thoughts on that one?
Not like the first one.
Okay, but what are your thoughts on it?
The first
separating it from
one, I can watch it again and again. This one, I'm not into it as much. It's not.
You say you watch. Okay, so you like the music video for the first one better.
Yeah.
Okay, what about the song?
I like the song as well. I told you that. This one, I'm just not. I mean, it's about how you guys say it's alright.
Okay, so what do you rate this song then?
Maybe a 7.
That's still high for you. So what about it
I'm
did
just
you
saying
not
a
like?
7.
Or is it?
I'm really not.
Or is it because you think you still got the other song in your head, so you
Probably
comparing
could be
it?
that. Probably could be that. So comparing it with what I just saw that I really, really like.
Yeah, so I
I'm
shouldn't
really
have
not into
made
this
him listen
song.
to it back to back. But a 7 is still high. So in my head, that's like a 8.5. Since
Probably a 6.
is being since is being why can't I speak today? Since his score is being what's the word?
Reasonably
Deterred? Not deterred. It's being like to do by the other song. That means it's an 8.
May not necessarily. I could have listened to this one before, and I would have been not as into it already.
I mean, I figured you were gonna
But-
like Daydream more though.
Yeah.
But anyways, so that's it for today. Like I said, I want to show my dad his first mixtape before we go into his first actual album that started off the solo works of the group. So, and the mixtape is short. It's like 7 songs, and we just did 2. So, that's it. Stream D-Day by August D. Min Yugi. Yeah, my husband, my number 1. That's it. I have to say I'm going to his concert on Wednesday. Okay.
Bye. So the concert is what, this coming Wednesday?
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
그래 기분이 오자 다시 그분이 오자
Everybody say no.